How ABS, or anti-lock braking system, works. Welcome back, gearheads. Today, I will walk you through one of the most fascinating inventions in the automotive industry, the ABS system. Stick with me as I explore everything you need to know about anti-lock braking systems. Imagine you're driving down a wet road at high speed when suddenly, out of nowhere, a car pulls out in front of you. Your instinct is to slam the brakes. Without the right technology, your wheels could lock up, your steering would vanish, and you'd be sliding helplessly into disaster. But thanks to the anti-lock braking system, or ABS, your car can stop hard while still letting you steer to safety. This clever piece of engineering works in milliseconds, making the difference between a close call and a collision. Let's break down exactly how ABS pulls off this life-saving trick. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's begin. What is anti-lock braking system, ABS? The anti-lock braking system, ABS, is one of the most important safety technologies in modern vehicles. Its main purpose is to prevent the wheels from locking up during hard braking, allowing the driver to maintain steering control and reduce the risk of skidding. To further explain, the anti-lock braking system, ABS, is one of those important features in your car. It quietly sits there, doing nothing most of the time, until the moment you really need it. And when that moment comes, it springs into action faster than you can blink, helping you stop in control instead of sliding into trouble. ABS doesn't just shorten stopping distances in most situations, it also gives you something even more valuable: control. You can still steer around hazards while braking hard. That's why ABS has been a mandatory safety feature in many countries for years. The problem ABS solves: when you brake suddenly, especially on wet, icy, or loose surfaces, the wheels can stop rotating while the vehicle is still moving. This is called wheel lockup, and it can cause you to lose control of steering. Without ABS, your only option would be to manually pump the brakes to avoid skidding, a skill most drivers don't master perfectly in emergencies. Picture this: you're driving through a rainstorm and a truck suddenly stops ahead. You stomp on the brake pedal. Without ABS, your front tires could lock instantly, sending you sliding straight into the back of the truck. But with ABS, your tires keep rolling just enough for you to steer around the obstacle, while still braking hard. ABS lets you steer while braking. Better control is the most important benefit. How ABS works, step by step. The ABS system uses advanced sensors and a fast-reacting control unit to automatically adjust brake pressure many times per second. Here's how it works. Wheel speed sensors. Each wheel has a sensor that continuously monitors its rotation speed. If the sensor detects that a wheel is slowing down much faster than the others, it signals that the wheel might be about to lock up. Electronic Control Unit, or ECU. The ECU receives data from all the wheel sensors in real time. It calculates whether any wheel is losing traction. If wheel lockup is detected, the ECU immediately sends commands to adjust brake pressure. Hydraulic Modulator, or Actuator Unit. This is the heart of ABS's braking control. It rapidly reduces and increases brake pressure on the affected wheel, preventing it from locking up while still slowing the vehicle. Brake pulsing. Instead of locking up, the wheel's brake pressure is applied and released multiple times per second. You might feel a pulsing sensation in the brake pedal during ABS activation. This is normal and shows the system is working. When ABS is in action. Imagine driving on a wet road and a car suddenly stops in front of you. You slam the brake pedal. Without ABS, your front wheels could lock, making steering useless and sending you into a skid. But with ABS, the system prevents lockup, letting you steer around the obstacle while still braking hard. Types of ABS. Different vehicles use variations of ABS. 4-channel ABS, individual control for each wheel, most effective. Three-channel ABS, common in some trucks, controls front wheels individually and rear wheels together. One-channel ABS, found in older models, controls all wheels together, less precise. Benefits of ABS: prevents wheel lockup during emergency braking, maintains steering control while braking, reduces stopping distances on most surfaces, increases vehicle stability, enhances safety in slippery conditions. Limitations of ABS: on loose gravel, deep snow, or sand, ABS may slightly increase stopping distance, but still improves control. ABS won't prevent accidents caused by excessive speed or poor road judgment. It requires proper tire condition for best performance. The final takeaway: the anti-lock braking system might be invisible during your daily drives, but when danger strikes, it becomes your best ally. By preventing wheel lockup, ABS gives you the power to brake hard and steer clear of trouble, a life-saving combination that has revolutionized road safety. So the next time you feel that pulsing in your brake pedal during a sudden stop, remember, it's not a problem. It's your car working overtime to protect you. ABS is like having a professional race driver inside your braking system, pumping the brakes at the perfect speed and pressure. You may not notice it working most days, but in that one moment when the road is slick, your heart is racing, and you need every inch of control, ABS is there doing its quiet magic. If you found this breakdown of ABS helpful, hit that like button, share this video with friends so they understand how this safety system works, and subscribe to our channel for more clear, engaging car tips and explanations. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos, and together, let's make driving safer for everyone. Des, Car, Boom!